Jim, let's talk about Johnson Controls. It's one of our largest industrial positions. It's down 2% today. The company's having an analyst meeting. There were high expectations. They were conservative, just like Honeywell, just like Dover, just like a lot of the industrials. I think this is a buying opportunity big time, and I think that the new CEO is setting us up for a beat and raise kind of a year.
Yeah, and don't forget, get rich carefully, which I know you know because you're in it constantly. We know this stock is very undervalued, and they could break it up and get to 65, 70 in a heartbeat. I think it's worth more, actually. Look, they've got so many different divisions. They get rid of some ones that are underperforming. This is driving me crazy. A stock will come out with an analyst meeting, and because the stock is up, and they reiterate that everything's going to be great and maybe better next year, people say, oh, it's up, I'll take profit. We often talk about, oh, well, Jim, this stock is up X going to the meeting. If Johnson Controls had been at 44, it would have gone up 10 points. But the fact is it's moved up a lot, so people say, oh, this is why I bought it. That is silly. This is when you got to circle right back on.
Yeah, because the story is just beginning.
Yes.
This is a new CEO. He's diversifying the company. He's going to get away from auto and automotive and go into HVAC and energy efficiency. And that's higher growth, higher margin business. And the other thing he said today was cash flow. Cash flow is going to be better than expected. So guess what? Now he has cash to do buybacks, but also to make acquisitions to grow HVAC and to grow the growthier parts of the business. So I think that's a win-win.
Remember the guy comes in Ingersoll, and everyone thought Ingersoll was dead, and dead as a door nail at 38.40, and then look what happened, okay? And at each time there were doubts. The doubts are about people taking profits.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I think that those who were taking profits at Johnson Controls were the same people who took profits in Eaton at 61.
Right, so we'll be buying more when we can. We're restricted right now, but we definitely will. Thanks, Jim.